Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Melissa, the Stamp Doc, and I know this is a little unusual for me to go live on a Friday afternoon, but I have tried several times to shoot this video for you, and it is just not working out. So hopefully sound's working, everything's working, and we can make this happen. But what I want to share with you today is the month-by-month album kit, which is what we'll be using for the virtual album retreat that will be taking place July 16th through the 18th. And that will be done in a private Facebook group. There's 3 days of instruction, about 8 hours each day. And we will be making, 12 two-page layouts. So 24 altogether, 24 layouts. So if you're new to scrapbooking and you want a way to get started, this would be a great way. Or if you're just looking to learn some new techniques, I think even those that are very experienced will learn some new techniques as well. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what comes in the box. Just so you know, it's $250. That does include all of your materials, your base materials. There are a few other supplies that you'll need, and I'll provide that for you. But I'll show you what comes in that $250 box and then answer any questions that anyone might have. Okay, so let me, again, I've tried shooting this a couple different ways, so let's hope it works this way. All right. There we go. I see the one to turn it around. There we go. There's my box. And put those down and put your photos in later. That will work. Oh, I'm losing my, gotta tighten that up just a bit. There we go. All right. And then you get 2 big stamp sets. So each one of them, there's an alphabet and full alphabet with numbers. And then there's another one that just has like all occasions throughout the year and just different goodies that you can use. You can see them a little bit better on the inserts. Trying to open that up good. There we go. And so you can see here's the alphabet set, and here is the month-by-month set. So those are the 2 stamp sets that you'll get. It doesn't come with any cases, but my free gift to you is that you'll get those cases. And then you get some of the lovely little flip-flaps. Those are awful fun. Yeah, love those. Some white baker's twine. And all of that was in this little bag. And then this is your title. So it is called month to month or month by month. And so you have a January, you've got all of your titles on there. You could use these or you could do something different if you like. And then we have all of our page protectors. So I think you get 12 page protectors for each layout. And then we've got some other die cuts that you'll be able to stamp on or use to embellish your pages. And then we have some other, these are die cut pages, so this comes out, and it looks like each one of these little circles comes out. And some more circles. These are pretty big. I would say that's probably about 4 or 5 inch circles, somewhere around there. A few more of those. And some more die cuts, some hearts and more circles and some leaves. And then this paper right here looks like it's somewhat embossed, so this would be a good paper to do like embossed resist on, so some specialty paper. And then the thing that I'm most excited about on this is everything in this is completely pre-cut for you. So you don't have to do any of the cutting or measuring. Everything is done, and each one of your projects is labeled. So this one says Project 1, and then we've got all the rest of them in here. So Project 2 through 12 are in here also. And again, each layout is already pre-cut and done for you, so you're just going to learn some new techniques and how to put those together. So it should be a lot of fun, and I've also prepared a free gift with purchase for anyone that purchases through my online store. So you're going to get 2 of these little plastic cases, and that's for putting your stamp set in. I'm also going to give you a very sharp mechanical pencil, a journaling pen, some Post-it notes, an eraser, a ruler, and some Stampin' Dimensionals. So just some goodies that are going to help you do some of the techniques. So I know those seem like pretty basic supplies, but they are things that you will need to complete those. So there is that. If you have any questions at all about the month-to-month kit, I will be glad to answer those. Just leave me a comment below, and I'll certainly take the time to answer any questions. This is available while supplies last, so we don't really know how many they had, but there was a limited quantity, so you'll definitely want to get this ordered if it's something you'd like to do. Now, the other thing I'll tell you is, yes, it is a virtual class July 16th through the 18th. I myself am going to be off the grid that weekend, so I won't be able to join live, but I plan to put all of my things together the following weekend. So don't worry if you can't be there on that actual date. You can always do that at a later time. So thanks again so much for watching, and I hope some of you will join me for the virtual album retreat.